In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure signing settings in Docusign Esignature. Whether you're new to Docusign or looking to customize your signing experience, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started and make sure you have everything set up just the way you need it. First, head over to the Docusign website. You can easily find them with a quick search or simply enter their web address directly into your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look for the login button. It's usually located towards the top right of the screen, making it easy to spot. Click on that button and it will take you to the login page. On the login page, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you should be greeted by the Docusign homepage. From here, the next goal is to access the admin section because that's where all the configuration magic happens. Look at the options available on your home dashboard and find the admin button. It's often highlighted to indicate its importance in managing different settings. Now that you're in the admin section, your main focus should be on finding the signing settings. These settings control how your documents are presented and processed when signatures are required. In the admin section, you'll see various tabs related to different functions. Among these, look for the one labeled Signing Settings. A simple click will open it up, presenting you with various options you can tweak according to your needs. Within the signing settings, you'll find detailed options allowing you to configure specifics such as signature preferences, notifications, and other important settings that could impact the signing experience for you and recipients. Take your time to go through these options. If you're unsure about what any particular setting does, hover over the information icon or check Docusign's help documentation for further explanations. Remember, configuring your signing settings isn't just about how the document looks, it's about ensuring the process meets your operational needs and provides a seamless experience for all parties involved. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, make sure to save all changes. This is a crucial step to make sure your new settings are applied. And there you have it, you've now successfully configured your signing settings in Docusign. This setup will streamline your document signing process, making it efficient and tailored to your requirements. As you continue to use Docusign, you can always return to these settings and make further adjustments as your needs evolve. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and empowering. Keep an eye out for more tutorials to get the most out of your digital tools. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy signing!